Uncle, how do we resolve it?
And a be Mamincha, oh yeah, a refua and a nukun Mustafa, what's a spinters, Casapreco.
What you do?
Mama, a refua, a belated happy birthday. Mukanda Mivia, Kwame Michamin 15 months to Mfunyala. Asami Azabe, or Asamo you drew. Obi babies are there. Is Ghana at the boiling point? You know what? In Zazu, is it frustration, desperation? I don't believe so.
Impunity, disrespect for law and order.
Because service of fracture.
Your phone is showing impunity.
Adichina, the saying, Kwame, easy.
I'm not damning. Technologically bankrupt.
Until phone, not
phone, not enough. We're going to phone.
Oh, but you do.
Miss, I want to damn. Technically deficient.
Before the go to phone,
I can trade.
Bago. Oh, yes, I'm here. Kwame.
Yes, sir.
You can the Abaza no do bade. Publicly, police in another driver, nanimate, Obo Blue police in Abasama no do ba. Ghana, I encourage instant justice. Ama, abeye part of us. You believe there, many humanity will take the law into our hands. Yet, the ma. Wabe Yesubai. And look at that impunity there. Drive an enemy, Wutum Wusu, police in na Washington. Na blows is all the police in your yes more.
Hi.
There, lock your ear there, never met you, not the until vibration of the Winitin Basa. Well, a man for Piaka, Nazo, I'm the lack of respect for our institutions, lack of respect for our laws. The Obiari Mopia. But this shouldn't happen in our modern society. We should all condemn it. But in condemning it, you know, soon, Majisi there, a police officer or the year 214. Kwame, or the year 214, Papa. Was there one so I won't when they are on the road? When one task force will move, MTT, the food will move, walk on roads. What check drivers in Azar. The frustration these drivers go through. Why a pent up or womb the police in the Osha Moya in there a Brunica cry and 50 Ghana waji. I was stop drivers be also papers as the who driving license also your papers are papa. Your driving license. In the Aya Market BBO, but some of the policemen too are very good. If you want human relations in terms of confronting drivers in the Nikakawunaza, excellent. In the Majisi there's the need for that kind of cooperation between drivers and police or Bobwa. Here Kenya so a I and politicians now they organize your members near court demonstration. Bravo, Brianna. Ninya, they see themselves above the law because they are also part of the law in execution of the law. And they see themselves above the law. And they said to former one person able to make blame in the papa. But you can't driving in an image easy. Oh yeah, na you be blame one because police in here or share new uniform. He represent the government. The government is in Yala. And at least the crown now or one out in the moon, you should respect the crown. But when your mom came in 1982 as MBOC, what country? Police in Yibika Jesu will be nigger. No, no, she has civilian uniform. Nazana, Aquanu so driving you. Or running Cape Coast magazine. The way when the police in yin, then you are near over one pa. So no so to talk police in yin, or cheap police in yin a bra, or bull police in yin a Obiaso Amapato. At the chim when the police in the uniform, or 10 each out. No, but to talk, no so driving yin. No, so driving him. No, so a bra, because that way so there. Or the Nizaka police in yin. Why offend the Lord? Or brood having you more, or can't have you more, or heady police in no, or in the whistle. Or the share, Nenum, or Bopo, and Papa, to go and we are one. But a crowd or call out in, or your police in be more be no so driving him with their watching when you know call by force. Na area all boys in there, there was a one pin. Because when you there, Brenty, or boy, Rabano call or Bowan. Oma Makaya, Azama, COP, Kofi Bachi, Hurricane. And when the new presentation was excellent. In the course of advising Ikumfuna, he was also advising the police. And so what's there? To Momo for need to a Yamasofo. And say, welcome to baby. The police need an introspection. They need to look into their own service. Na woma civilians yenya confidence won. Kwame, there's so much indiscipline in our society. I mean, I am more drivers one because in the Kano, minimum the 60s, 70s, 80s, early 80s. There, say a better driver, it's the mate or papa, as I need to my driver. And there was that kind of respect for drivers in our society. Ghana for go Nigeria, ma what deport one more by pet. Na you there, your roots. Suban or ya kwanu dunya asesa.
Oh yeah, you Subanya Nigeria for Suban.
Oh, Mama Kacho Kwame. It wasn't like that. Kwame, it wasn't like that. Hey, Missy Mukade catch and maybe pa Ndaboka. Name watch a bubu grocia. So Orucho man need the day. Ono na muzuko to mebru to muzu Munguko. Ne driver now truck and ne dress in any bibiala. Highly respected. That's why they can't at the door. Kwame Mamije.
Mite.
Nesu ka ni chuma nechin wacho wano piasam. Ne democracy nya we on our roads accident onsi agushe statistically share in the 70s 80s na fobo share sisiala road accidents ayenya
but allocated population numbers also is a factor.
Oh,
Nipa na dosh. So all these things come to play.
I agree.
My question is, how do we resolve it? About kwano ni abafa. Ni asobi.
Akwane abafa in there. Today me ye wo radio do ya yerikese. Adaba fu wo take. Apostle fu su wo take. But we need to do more, and we should start with our kids. From our basic schools. Mr. Debbie, I am a cousin there. In our syllabus in the civic education, if you since you render NCC use adi ya on BB there work office where we are work of here. They are not in the fields educating Ghanaians on our civil responsibilities. Oh yeah, then we need to equip them. We need to inject resources into that institution. Need make sure there way to my igma. If he make there something about Mra, yes, Ghana mra and Ghana mra yeji tuma he say ye mra ni sisi a de agobo police yin na so minti or de kumbe 6 months ebon ayinfo awo fra etam achamifo epuma different kinds na what everybody there worba pachaw
aba chop hala
yo nje me in society mo ti enyim mpeyinfo a asam to a mpeyinfo wo ba wechi or dem ranipo ye fada no de mpeyinfo wo ba pachaw ye de chopa da man in bana wa ye boni ne ye jan say to them Morgan ye ba ma imrena ye juma ye ya majis there will be discipline in our society.
The law has to work.
The law has to work.
Nti
sure some of you were UDS. Some of you were KNUST.
You mean UEW? And UDS?
No, UEW Morisi. And if all these products come out, well-educated people, no what about out? Not the men say me, oh, see one here, ma. Na infan yerko nti yama mbrani yedwuma
Mate
ye indicate yen na yehun de yenyi baby akọ de Ghana yala
any other comments yer ponyan
agagaga anazi ayeske kro agagaga obogo kenya machine obafa ehun na FBI fu na CIA wo dem robot machines ai de kakraka na ketu na azi nti o de Ghana fu ye onya di before who don't answer ade o nemi
I started it man we this you know by me spend because I na be ya
elephantiasis of the scroll to my azamato gwami
alade
dem ofoso ampofo sami jemfi kwekugbo ahin charge Kwame afutu amazobama Ghana police in there the charge here was when you walk or court onya it's unnecessary. It will rather build tension. The actual a national chairman of the largest opposition party in Ghana na share the propaganda where you want there when you want to court blah 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 it will not help. Yeah, he has Yesha politics I see several times. No, I there selective as the justice na why e been mo want to one caution one you want court. Na been mo want to one you want court. Ni nyina ne wa current political as here you me there's
my examples to help us.
Oh, more example. There I research. Get your good research. Maybe this is not unnecessary. Doing there, look, you can even caution them or police station where I walk up. If you
food for thought.
I'm very serious on this militia issue. Kwame, you know my stand. Now, my advice is my party for there. More on one and one. Because look, this country will never forgive politicians if the issue of militia will create any kind of anarchy in this country. No politician should be allowed to run away. Not at all. Yeah. Say MPP for atro one chair venue, one chair baby woshia. I believe that they are coming with sincerity, and that is what I talked about last week. Mister, it's a matter of sincerity and commitment. Now the ball is in our court. We should hold it. Say, any doubt to be allowed, I will be very cautious in whatever dealings you are to deal with them. Be very cautious. There, he to them. But so far as there, we are against militia, party militia. These two political parties should be committed to it. NDC should be committed to this issue of disbanding militias. I'm